Hello again if you've been watching the past 10 parts of these videos. Today's video will be showing you how I do my winged eyeliner. I think I do it a little bit differently than I used to, so let's just get right into it. For today's liner, I'm going to be using Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Liner in deepest black. Let me zoom you in. How I've been doing my eyeliner, I like to start by just outlining a little line. I don't go all the way in. I start kind of a third in. So I go like this. And just try and get it to like fade into my lash line. And then I go and I'm gonna draw a line below. Just like that. And then I wanna connect this here to there, and I left it super thin so I have room to make it thicker. So first, just connecting it, filling it in, and then making it bigger. And then here's a little trick. If you're not sure if this line is straight or not, go into your phone camera and look at it. I would do like Instagram or Snapchat so you can zoom. Go in and look at your eye, and pretty clearly it'll show you whether this line is straight. I can see that it's not exactly too straight here, so I'm just gonna go in. And there we go. That's so much better. And I've really just been loving this like thin eyeliner wing and not going all the way in. You can of course do that, super easy. The way I would do that is same thing, start the exact same way. It's easier to build than take away, so just always start thin, go from the inner, press the liner against your lashes just to create a straight line, boom, and do the same exact thing. And my last tip to get the eyeliner absolutely perfect would be taking a concealer brush and just straightening out anything that you feel is a little wonky. You can take a little bit of concealer on it as well. This one I think has a little bit of foundation, so I'm just gonna go in and just make that a point. And then I'm gonna go above as well because there's a little bump. Just like that. This eyeliner might be a touch thicker than this eyeliner, but that's okay. So that is basically that. As you can see, I have a crease that comes down here. So if you have more hooded eyes, I would suggest making your wings go out more. It sounds funny, but trust me, it looks good. I do mine a little bit more out just because I don't want to hit that crease at any time. So if you do have a crease coming in hot, try and do a wing a little bit more down. If your crease goes like really, really far, there are ways to do it, but you have to use a lot more eyeliner. It's a little bit more trickier. I can try and find somebody with hooded eyelids to do it on and show you, but yeah, that's kind of like my tips for that. I really hope this video helped. If you're struggling with eyeliner, honestly, just practice, practice, practice. Make sure you have something stable. If you're just starting out on eyeliner, make sure you have your elbow on something stable, just so you're not doing it freehand in the air, and you'll be less likely to have little wobbly lines. I promise you, it takes a little bit to like master your own eye shape and get that eyeliner down, but you will get there if you just practice. Anyway, I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, leave it below in the comments and I will answer. And head on over to part 12 to see how I do my mascara and get big, full, curly lashes. The link will be below.